Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to My Fitness Coach. In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that many struggle with, cardio. I'm going to break down the 5 most common cardio mistakes that people make when trying to lose fat. But before we begin, let me make one thing clear. While we're focusing on the drawbacks of cardio, I want to emphasize that I am a big fan of cardio when it's done in the right context and the right way. Cardio has several benefits that contribute to your overall health and fitness goals. Cardiovascular fitness, or your body's ability to provide oxygen to your muscles when they need it, is a strong predictor of your overall health. In fact, research has shown that higher cardio fitness is linked to lower all-cause mortality and reduced risk of heart disease. But cardio isn't just about health. It can also enhance your training performance by improving work capacity and recovery between sets. Mistake number 1, overestimating cardio's role in fat loss. Now, let's discuss the first mistake, thinking that cardio alone is as effective for fat loss as a proper diet. The fundamental principle of fat loss is the difference between calories consumed and calories expended. However, burning calories through cardio is slower and less effective compared to controlling your calorie intake through your diet. Even if you're spending hours on the treadmill, you can easily consume those calories back in mere minutes. Cardio should complement your diet, not replace it. Mistake number 2, poor timing of cardio around weight training. This mistake is all about timing your cardio around weight training. The interference effect, where cardio negatively impacts weight training, is real. To avoid this, prioritize your weight training by doing it before cardio. A brief warm-up on the treadmill can help, but longer cardio sessions should follow your weight training or on separate days altogether. Mistake number 3, falling for the high-intensity trap. This mistake involves falling into the high-intensity trap. While high-intensity interval training HIIT can be effective and time-efficient, it can also affect recovery and weight training. Consider using HIIT sparingly, about once or twice a week, and balance it with other forms of cardio. Mistake number 4, doing too much cardio. Overdoing cardio is another mistake. Excessive cardio can negatively affect muscle growth and recovery. Aim for a balanced approach and tailor your cardio volume based on your individual needs and lifestyle. Keep in mind that more isn't always better. Quality matters. Mistake number 5, relying on fasted cardio. Lastly, mistake number 5 involves relying solely on fasted cardio for fat loss. While you may burn more fat during the session, it doesn't necessarily translate to more fat loss overall. The most critical factor in fat loss is a consistent caloric deficit, which can be achieved through diet and exercise. So what's the right approach to cardio? It's all about finding the right balance. Incorporate cardio to support your fat loss goals, but don't rely on it as the main driver of results. Include both low-intensity, steady-state cardio and occasional HIIT sessions based on your preferences and recovery capacity. There you have it, the 5 most common cardio mistakes explained in detail. Remember, cardio is a valuable tool, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. For optimal results, combine it with a balanced diet and a well-structured weight training program. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to My Fitness Coach for more science-based fitness advice. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Before we wrap up, don't forget to try My Fitness Coach app for 500 plus workouts, 950 plus recipes, curated diet plans. We would love to have you on board. Share your thoughts, experiences, and any additional tips you might have in the comments below. Stay motivated, stay active, and keep pushing towards your fitness goals. See you next time on My Fitness Coach.